Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on an issue that's been simmering for years: the trust gap between homeowners and contractors. If you've ever embarked on a home renovation project, you probably know the sinking feeling of wondering if you're being taken for a ride. But why is this trust so fragile? And more importantly, what can be done about it? Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room: hidden costs. It's no secret that one of the biggest complaints from homeowners is the final bill often being way higher than the initial quote. Imagine budgeting for a project, only to be hit with a slew of additional expenses you didn't see coming. It's frustrating, to say the least. And this isn't just about money, it's about trust. When costs spiral out of control, homeowners start to feel like they're being scammed, even if that's not the contractor's intention. Next up is communication, or rather the lack of it. Poor communication is a major factor that erodes trust. Think about it. You hire someone to make your dream home a reality, but they're impossible to reach, don't keep you updated, and leave you in the dark about the project's progress. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a red flag. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful project, and when it's missing, doubts start to creep in. Then there's the issue of unfulfilled promises. How many times have you heard a contractor say, "We'll be finished in 2 weeks," only for the project to drag on for months? When deadlines are repeatedly missed and promises are broken, trust takes a hit. Homeowners are left feeling disappointed and, frankly, disillusioned. This problem is widespread and contributes heavily to the reputation problem many contractors face today. But it doesn't stop there. Let's talk about the impact of negative experiences. It only takes one bad apple to spoil the bunch. And in the age of online reviews, one negative experience can ripple through the entire industry. Homeowners who've been burned in the past are understandably wary. They're quick to share their horror stories, which makes other homeowners nervous before they even hire a contractor. This cycle of distrust is hard to break, but it's crucial to address if the industry wants to improve its reputation. So what can be done? How can homeowners protect themselves? And how can contractors rebuild that lost trust? For homeowners, the key is to do your homework. Before hiring a contractor, research thoroughly. Check references, read reviews, and don't be afraid to ask tough questions up front. Make sure everything is detailed in a written contract, from the scope of work to the payment schedule. It's also essential to maintain open lines of communication throughout the project. Don't hesitate to speak up if something doesn't seem right. On the flip side, contractors need to focus on transparency. Be upfront about costs, potential issues, and timelines. If something changes, communicate that immediately. Building trust isn't just about doing the job right. It's about managing expectations and being reliable. Contractors who go the extra mile in these areas will find it easier to earn and keep the trust of their clients. And let's not forget the power of testimonials. Contractors should encourage satisfied customers to share their positive experiences. These testimonials can help counteract the negative stories that often dominate the conversation and provide reassurance to new clients. In the end, trust is a two-way street. Homeowners need to feel confident that their contractors have their best interests at heart, while contractors need to demonstrate that they're worthy of that trust. By addressing these common concerns head-on and focusing on clear communication, honesty, and reliability, we can begin to bridge the trust gap that has plagued the industry for so long. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more tips on navigating home improvement projects with confidence. And as always, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's been your experience with contractors? Let's keep the conversation going.